Hey guys, welcome to Downtown Tailoring. In today's quick tutorial, we'll see how easy it is to hem a dress pant by hand. If you find this video useful, please give us a like. I'll start by placing my pants stretched out over the table, folded by the center crease. Then I'll mark with my chalk the length before removing my pins. I'll stretch it out a little bit more. I use this ruler to make sure I'll mark my hemline perpendicular to the crease for a straight hem. I'll mark my line at the top, in between the two legs, and at the bottom. That way everything is marked equally. I repeat at the front. Sometimes my customers prefer a slanted hem, and we will discuss that in another video. Then I'll mark my cutting line at 2 inches below and cut. This cut is very useful when the sides of the pant come in an angle, not straight. We'll see that later. Then I proceed to serge my pants. If you don't have a serger, you can use the zigzag or serger setting on your domestic machine, or use pinking shear to cut the edge on wool pants. Then I'll fold the hem following my line and use pins to secure it in place. At this point, you can iron it as well. I turn my pants inside out to work more comfortably. Try to find a matching thread. I'll use a contrasting color so you can see better what I'm doing. You can use 1 or 2 strands. I prefer 1. A trick I use is pulling the thread before starting to reduce the tangling. We are going to work from left to right, back and forth. Catch a hair on the pants from right to left and move to the hem and pick up a small stitch horizontal from right to left. Move back to the pants, a little to the right, and catch another stitch, and then go back to the hem, back to the pant, and so forth. Keep repeating to form this kind of X or zigzag. This catch stitch is very flexible and strong at the same time. I use it when my customers don't want the blind hem machine, as these ones open sometimes very easy. The catch stitch, by the contrary, is so durable. When you finish, secure the thread, cut it, and your hem is done. And here you go, the results. Although the thread is so contrasting, you can't basically see it at the other side. And then just give it a quick iron and it's all done. So guys, I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like. Bye!